Oh, thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Damn. Whee! 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 You know what I'm saying? All right, she's fully charged. It's kind of hard to see, but we got a full battery, so we're ready to go. And I still have it in the wheelie mode, so she's always ready to keep that angle when need be. As you can clearly tell by the title, we're going to be testing the battery on the AnyLand Rev Pro, and as you saw, I took it right off the charge. I just went right down the street, and we still have a full battery there. I'm also going to throw a stopwatch on starting now, and I'm going to start it now only because I've already ridden it down the road a little bit, so I'll give it a head start. And we're going to lock the screen, put that in my pocket, and like I said, we have a full bar. We're going to see how long it'll last, basically up until it gets to that last bar, and I'm going to start to come back closer to my spot just so, you know, I make sure I don't have to walk it home. But we're going to basically see how much fun we can have on this bike before it ends up dying. And if you haven't seen my wheelie video about me using the auto assist wheelie mode on this AnyLand, you should definitely check it out. It is definitely great for beginners. Ooh, wiped out. This bike has been pretty fun. The suspension on it feels pretty good. Oh, we're definitely not going to test it right there. That's going to scare me. If you've never wheelied a bike before, this is definitely the perfect bike to start with. I showed I had a little method in there where if you start off with the bike with both feet down, start the wheelie, and I'm starting in the second angle, which is the 35-degree angle. Start riding that out, and you can slowly fine-tune your balance and get your feet up and wheelie from there. You just drop the bike down and just keep your feet down, and you can use your feet to kind of balance you. Even use the handlebars to go left. All right, we want to go left now, and we're just going. So on the dirt it might be a little different because I was so used to the pavement. So you just start it like that, right? Keep it going, and she's going. Lean back a little bit, find the balance, and just get it. Look, 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 we was getting it. That's all it is. Let's see if I can do it this way on the dirt. So just start your feet on the ground, just pin the throttle, let it lock in the angle, and then let it build speed. You kind of have to like find your angle, and there we go. Uh-oh, we spinning now. Oh no. Woo! Oh, you gotta lean back a little more. Let's see if we can get a nice wheelie on the pavement here. Oh yeah. Oh, that was feeling good.
If you want a chance to win an AnyLand Rev Pro Auto Assist Wheelie e-bike, all you gotta do is like, comment, subscribe, and as soon as my channel hits 10,000 subscribers, I will be giving one away to a lucky winner. Good luck, guys.
We down in the valley. Whee! 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 Alright, so we made it back over here now. What do we got? We got one bar missing. It's 4:24. We've been out for a little over 20 minutes. So that's not bad. It's doing the job right now. I'm having fun. Oh, we got it. We got it. Oh, come on.
One week later.
Come on. I don't want to have to go inside. Hello? 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 Hello?
Open the door. Open the door.
Oh, thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Damn. Well, there we have it. All right, so we still have 4 out of 5 bars. We've been riding for roughly a little over 36 minutes. I want to say just under 40 minutes. And we're still going pretty well. We stopped and got a drink at Burger King. And I've been doing a little bit of back and forth, riding around, riding fast, doing some wheelies here and there. I messed up. And this thing is fun. Like, we just riding out. So I'm still going through the paces of just like acting as if I'm riding to and from places. Now we're at the dirt trails, we're riding around, we're having fun. So I'm just trying to simulate as if I'm hanging out, and now we're about to do some wheelies. You know what I'm saying? Oh, that's the other side. See what's cool about the AnyLand, that it's stuck in an angle. Instead of not having a reverse, you just have the wheelie mode. So you just pick it up and you just turn it. Who needs reverse when you could just have wheelie mode? Pine cones are gonna take us out. We got something here? No, no. Oh, we do get water. Yeah, there's not really a good spot to chill. Ooh, ooh, I'm keeping my balance. I was doing pretty good. All right, beep, 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 beep. Oh, kitty! Meow! That was Katie. All right, so let's check the time again. We're at 48 minutes, so roughly 50 minutes, so just under an hour. And if I remember correctly, we were at 25 or 26 miles when I started. So it looks like we put just a little over 10 miles on it, and we're at the last bar of battery. So I'm gonna start getting closer back to home, just in case this thing wants to die on me. So I'll give you the final update when I get back. So it looks like we were just riding just about a full hour, and that's not too bad, considering the fact that most of the time I was on the bike riding it, either riding in the field, pushing it back and forth, doing wheelies, or even just riding to and from places, and I was most of the time kind of going full throttle. I just wanted to make this video to kind of give an honest review on the battery life, and it's not too bad for an electric dirt bike that goes 32, 34 miles an hour max and can have an auto wheelie that wheelies and, you know, has regular brakes and whatnot, just like a regular dirt bike, and you can take it anywhere. For the price and what you get out of it, it's really not that bad at all. It being one of the cheapest e-bikes out there, and it has an auto wheelie assist mode, so if you've never wheelied before, this thing's about to teach you. All right, well, I think that's about it. I'm about to bring her inside and get her charged up for the next ride. And if y'all got any questions, comments, concerns, hit me up in the comment section. I still got the giveaway going on. I'm about to do a vinyl wrap on this thing because I want to see what it would look like. I think I know what color I'm going to end up doing. I may end up doing a poll on YouTube, so it may be before this video, but who knows? I might even let you guys pick what color I'm gonna put on this AnyLand bike. But yeah, stay tuned to the giveaway, stay tuned to all my other content, and we got a lot of stuff going on. I'm Rowdy DB, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace out.